Good evening to one and all present here. I guess can you hear me, guys? Yeah, okay. So are we going live in YouTube also, or this is just an warm up session? Like you can just show a thumbs up. Okay, it has started. So yeah, I guess everyone has reached. So good evening to one and all present over here. I'm Dev Darshan, National Office Bearer of National Students Union of India, Frontal Wing of Indian National Congress Party from India. So I welcome our the topic for today's discussion is common problem, common solutions, building synergies across borders. So I guess we can see from this panel itself that we are having, should ask for this midday meal scheme such that the students, I mean the childrens, will get free nutritional meal in their schools, such that it will try to eradicate the poverty line in all, especially in African region. They should demand, and moreover, through international organizations, may it be Akshay Patra back in India, and there's a kind of community kitchen kind of concept can be introduced in Africa, such that students and children get proper meal and proper nutritious food, such that uh, when the stomach is full, all then only our mind will start working. This is the basic thing we need to understand, because the hunger, I can understand the feel of hunger, because we can see, if without getting a food, nothing will there should be no nutrition. First, the main important should be food, and then shelter to live, since climate change is also a big important thing actually, and housing should be an important human rights actually, and followed by uh, education as usual. Third, I will place education in third. First, these two things should be there, and education should be also be given free for all the citizens across the globe. And finally, Matthew was telling about vaccination, and this at this point, this is the crucial thing. 2021 can create a vaccine war. We can tell actually, like, which country will be having more stocks, will be more money, will be having more stocks. The least I mean the least developed country will not be having an opportunity to have, not opportunity, but will not be having the same facilities to hold up the stockpiles of the vaccines. So there should be a clear understanding, and I in this thing I urge United Nations and WHO to act independently without any country support. Actually, they should act independently. The only then only then it will reach across the globe. Otherwise, one particular type of country, with we can call United States an hegemon, or European Union and as hegemon over here, and they will try to dominate the system, and the what to tell, the legitimacy of the institutions will fail if one particular country is trying to hold the whole organization, because United Nation is common for all countries, the member nations actually. But if a particular group of countries, the so-called superpowers, trying to occupy the space, then it will not yield any benefit, because this is the time we should all together unite. And moreover, how many people know this, but 2 months back, Elon Musk was telling he will colonize Mars, and he was telling, like, there won't be any Earth loss over there, and it will be my colony. And this shows that he's showing the sovereignty towards Mars now itself. Then in future we can expect a war between Mars and Earth, and together Earth will be united. Maybe this happens actually. So the problem here is, now itself we should all unite together and move towards. And the last point is, Indian farmers are protesting over there in Delhi for past 6 days, and they were being thrashed brutally by police force in Delhi. And I request you people to show solidarity to the through this medium. And through this, I'll finish. I thank Asu for inviting me as a moderator to moderate this amazing session. And at the final thing, we can now show the solidarity to the Indian farmers protesting over there against the government over unfair practices, unfair laws being like thrown upon them. So yeah, over to you people. So meeting is finished, right?
I don't know if someone maybe has some questions, or because we have 5 minutes left. I also
Okay.
started 10 minutes late. So I don't know for the others.
So if anyone wants to talk, they're open to talk, and we can have a discussion for next 5 minutes. I guess everyone are leaving. Anyways, it's nice.